Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Santander checking debit card step by step clearly. To activate your Santander checking debit card, start by locating the card you received in the mail. Make sure you have your personal identification number, also known as the PIN, ready. Next, find a secure and quiet space to complete the activation process. You can activate your card either online or through the Santander mobile app. To activate online, open your web browser and go to the Santander website. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the debit card activation section. Input the requested information, including your debit card number and PIN. After entering the information, submit your activation request. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. If you prefer to use the mobile app, open the Santander app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Look for the options related to card services or activation. Select the debit card activation option and follow the prompts. Enter your debit card number and PIN as instructed. Submit your information to complete the activation process. Once your request is processed, you will see a confirmation on the app. To activate your card via phone, call the number provided on the back of your debit card. Follow the automated prompts to reach the debit card activation option. Provide your debit card number and PIN when prompted. Wait for the confirmation that your card has been activated. After activation, test your card by making a small purchase or checking your balance. Remember to securely store your PIN and card information. You are now ready to use your Santander checking debit card for transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.